Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new Metroguide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern, brand new, spacious and well-organized 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here near Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. This property has a spacious floor area of 435 square meters and a total lot area of 300 square meters. In addition, it's oriented towards the east. So you have the morning sun right here, and it's already quite cool in the afternoon with the sun on the other side. Now let's go. Through the pedestrian gate, you have an area here to your right, which can potentially be a landscape garden. So the house just finished construction. That's why you still have this sand placed right here. But let's walk over here so you can see how you can navigate all around the house. One of the great features of this home is the grand facade, and you can appreciate that marble stone design all along the face of the house from here. On the other side, you have a carport area for 3 vehicles. It's almost completely covered, and on this side, you have a provision already where you can have polycarbonate roofing to cover the entire service area of the property. Let's head on over here towards your grand main entry. You have your natural wood door here with a stainless steel handle. Also with an automated door lock as well. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You're welcomed by a high ceiling space and your large windows positioned at the front of the house, giving you so much natural light. In addition, you have an open concept plan for your living and dining area as well. So from this angle, you can appreciate the size of the space. I love the ceiling height. You also have cove lighting, and you have such a warm feel for the space because of the aesthetic chosen by the designers in terms of the color of the tiles used. And it blends very well with the lighting as well. So you can easily have a large living room set right here. And on this side, you have your first room with its own bathroom. We won't go into this space because there are currently some construction materials right here, but they're gonna get cleared out. But we're going to explore the other bedrooms as well as we go through this tour. On top of your indoor living space, you also have a sliding door right here, leading to the side of the house. You have a tiled space giving you access towards the front of the house. This can be a nice additional alfresco extension of your living space. And you can walk all the way to the back of the house from here. Your living area is quite cool because you already have 2 split-type inverter Colin branded air conditioning units for the space. And from here, you have your formal dining area. So this is a dedicated space with cove lighting, and you can have even a table for 10, maybe even 12 people right here. Another great aspect of this room is you can potentially have a sliding door installed here if you'd like in the future, but that's just an option. As of now, the designers have made it so that you have this open flow from the living and dining spaces. And you can open up this sliding door towards a patio area. So this area is tiled, and you have an area here where you can have barbecues as well. You can access the side of the house from here. Now from your dining area, let's now explore your main kitchen. You have a swinging door here. So that's a nice touch, especially if you're bringing dishes from the room towards the dining area. And you have such a well-organized main kitchen. You have this island countertop, and it has such an impactful design in terms of the marble design used here, which matches also the countertop here on the other side. You already have a fully equipped kitchen with a Samsung branded refrigerator, an oven, a microwave, a range hood, and even a 4-burner cooktop, as well as a stainless steel sink right here. You also have plenty of ventilation in the space, and the designers made sure you even have some stainless steel pull-outs built into the storage areas. On top of that, you also have a dedicated pantry room right here. So you won't be running out of storage for your main kitchen. And right here, you have access towards the service areas of the house. Right here, you have your auxiliary kitchen space. You already have a built-in 4-burner cooktop right here and access towards the parking area. And like I mentioned before, you can potentially have polycarbonate roofing right here to have the space completely covered. You have an additional sink space right here, and you can have your washing machine on this side as well. And right here, you also have your staff room. You can potentially have 2 beds here, and it has its own bathroom as well. And I like the care that the designers put into making sure that even the staff bathroom has nice styling as well. Now let's head back in. From the service auxiliary area, we're now back in your main kitchen. You can access it through this swinging door towards your dining area, or through this door directly towards your living space. And then right here, you have your powder room. Nice indirect lighting. And now it's time to head on up towards your second level. Let's go. You have beautiful natural wood for the stairs, and the ceiling almost feels like it's a triple height ceiling. Now welcome to the second level of this home, and once again, check out that ceiling height even from this level. And now let's begin by exploring your master bedroom. Wow. So you have a raised ceiling for your master bedroom. This room really made me go wow when I first entered it, and you can see also you have beautiful cove lighting. In terms of the space, you can easily have a king-sized bed with plenty of space left over for a sofa and additional furniture. You also have so much natural light because you have all these windows facing the morning side of the property. You also have an additional feature right here, which is a wraparound balcony. Let's go. Your master bedroom balcony is of a significant size, and it's also partially covered. You also have these vertical slats right here, which add to the facade but also give you additional privacy. This area can potentially be a space where you can have some potted plants because you have a faucet and drainage here as well. Let's head on in. I cannot get over the ceiling height and how grand your master bedroom is. Now, let's explore your master walk-in closet. So this is a well-spaced room. You have an island countertop as well, maximized with storage, and you have your cabinetry right here. Another nice touch is having this full-length mirror here on the other side. And right here you have your master bathroom. You already have a dual vanity sink space, a freestanding bathtub, and your shower area and toilet area here. Now I love the spacing of the room, and let's now check out the third, fourth, and fifth bedrooms. Even the ceiling height of the hallway is quite considerable. Right here you have your third bedroom. So it's almost a perfectly square-shaped room, so it's easy to organize your furniture. You also have cove lighting on this side. You also have a Colin-branded inverter split-type air conditioning unit included here as well. And you have your bathroom area and built-in cabinetry here on the other side. So even though you have space in the main bedroom for storage, the designers already made sure that you have built-in storage right here. And floor-to-ceiling tiling for your bathroom. And here we have your fourth bedroom. So this is positioned at the west side of the property, and this is a corner room. You have so much natural light. You can have even a king or queen sized bed in terms of the size of this room. And it has its own ensuite bathroom as well and built-in storage. This bedroom also has access towards a shared balcony which you share with the fifth bedroom. We're going to explore that in a little while. Back here towards the hallway, you have an additional display cabinet. And on this side, you have your fifth bedroom. Once again, it's a corner room with an ensuite bathroom right here. And from this angle, you can appreciate the additional storage. And right here, as I mentioned before, you have your shared balcony with your fourth bedroom. So we can't go out there too much because we don't want to expose the neighboring community for privacy purposes as well. But the village is very peaceful, quiet, well organized as well. And you also have a dedicated basketball covered court as well for additional recreation. Okay? And now we're back here in your main hallway space overlooking your living area, and that caps off our house tour of this beautiful brand new home in Quezon City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature to our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.